SpeedMart, the next big IPO that we are very excited about, and we heard that it is coming out very soon. So today, we will try to understand the business of SpeedMart and also try to value the company before the IPO price is out, so that we can value the company without any bias. Hey guys, it's Heshra, your investing friend. The success of SpeedMart business is very legendary. Because the boss Lee Thiam Wah is an OKU, his leg got problem and he cannot walk. But that doesn't stop him from becoming a billionaire. What an inspiring role model for all Malaysians. Anyway, we call Mr. Lee Thiam Wah Thiam lah ha. So Thiam started SpeedMart business in 1992 and the first store was in Klang Utama. In 1998, he already opened 8 stores and it took him 10 years to grow from 8 stores to 100 stores in 2008. And in the next 10 years, from 2008 to 2017, they grow from 100 stores to 1,000 stores. Today, there are over 2,500 stores of SpeedMart in Malaysia. So what's the secret of SpeedMart success? 3 things. Number 1, SpeedMart is very cheap. It is always the cheapest when you compare to their competitors. Look at their gross margin, it is 9%. And it is consistently 9% over the years. This means, let's say if you buy something from SpeedMart, for example, farm fresh milk, if you buy it for 10 ringgit and 90 cents, you will know that SpeedMart cost is 10 ringgit. Compared to its competitors, Aeon 40%, My News 33%, 7E 30%. So this is the promise that SpeedMart has for its customers. Cheap! But is selling cheap a sustainable business model? 9% gross margin is very low. That means that SpeedMart need to use this 9% to pay off employee salary, rental lah, utilities lah, distribution center lah, and other costs. And the leftover is profit. So how Thiam and SpeedMart do it with only 9% gross margin? The answer is volume. If you are selling cheap, you better make sure that you are selling a lot because you only start making money when your volume is high. And when the volume is high, SpeedMart can only go to the supplier to buy more and also ask their supplier to give more discount to push down the price further. Some more, to make sure that everything in SpeedMart is cheap, Thiam need to make sure that SpeedMart must maintain the lowest number of SKU possible and they will buy each SKU in bulk. So if you want to increase a new product in SpeedMart, you must ask Thiam first before you start selling them. That's why in SpeedMart, when you want to buy kaya, you don't really see a lot of brands there, probably just 1 or 2. Doing all this is to make sure that they can sell it cheap. With cheaper price, customers will happy and then they come back so that the volume will go up. Even when they aggressively open new stores, the sales in existing stores is still growing. From 2019 to 2022, the average growth rate is 5.4% every year. And here comes the last strategy in SpeedMart. Location and store size. If you notice, SpeedMart is everywhere. Unlike Tesco or Aeon or Family Mart and 7E, the store size of SpeedMart is ngam between supermarket and convenience store. Not too big, not too small. With this store size, they can open in shop lots near you. So you don't even need to drive to Tesco or Aeon anymore. Everything can be settled in SpeedMart within walking distance. This again can help to push up the sales volume. In short, the 3 main strategies that SpeedMart use are cheap, volume, and location. Form a triangle and create a network effect. The more stores that SpeedMart open, the more things that they can sell. The lower cost that they can get from supplier, the cheaper the things they sell, and the cycle repeats. Win. And another reason why SpeedMart can survive with this 9% gross profit margin is because they have so many stores now, they also become an advertising space. All the products are paying SpeedMart product display fees and other incentives to make sure that SpeedMart put their product in the best position. In 2022 alone, SpeedMart made 743 million ringgit just from these fees, and they are expected to grow more with the number of stores increase. Okay, so now we know how business work. It's time to look at how much money they are making, how much they will make in the future, and what's the value of the company. According to the prospectus, in 2022, SpeedMart has 2,251 stores, generating 8 billion ringgit sales. In 2023, SpeedMart has 2,542 stores and should be able to achieve 9 billion ringgit sales. We can see that historically, SpeedMart stores and revenue increased hand in hand. But the revenue per store is quite consistent. Every store is generating around 3.3 to 4 million ringgit of sales every year. That is around 10,000 ringgit every day. Next is to look at how many stores they are going to open. In the prospectus, it will say that Thiam target to hit 3,000 stores in 2025 and 3,750 stores in 2028. So it is quite easy to estimate how much sales can 99 SpeedMart generate. You just take the number of stores times sales per store, and we can get the estimated revenue in 2025 and 2028. For the sales per store, we will use 3.5 million ringgit per store, which is lower than the historical average. Because their strategy is to expand into regions outside of KL, these regions generally have lower sales when compared to KL. Anyway, based on our estimate, their revenue will be 10.5 billion ringgit in 2025 and 13.2 billion ringgit in 2028. And assuming PAT margin of 4%, their profit will be 422 million ringgit in 2025 and 527 million ringgit in 2028. Given their leadership position, low debt level, high cash flow, and high possibility of growing 15% every year, if they can hit their target store figure, we can give 99 SpeedMart a PE of 20 according to 2025 profit. The intrinsic value of 99 SpeedMart in 2025 will be roughly 8.4 billion ringgit market cap. Discount 5% to today, it will be 7.6 billion ringgit or 91 cent intrinsic value per share. We also did an analysis on how big 99 SpeedMart can grow. Because Malaysia only got 33 million population, they cannot open 250 stores for everyone ma. How we estimate is according to region. 99 SpeedMart has covered most of the KL Selangor region already. In the central region, each 99 SpeedMart can cover 2,373 household and 9,300 population. The more stores they have, each stores will serve lesser household and population. And we think that the maximum that 99 SpeedMart can grow is to cover 2,000 household and 8,000 population only. With this assumption, our estimate for maximum 99 SpeedMart stores is 3,955 stores to 4,132 stores. So, after 99 SpeedMart achieve that scale, they cannot rely on opening new stores to increase their revenue and profit anymore. They will need to look for other ways to increase their profit, which the best way is to have their own brands. Let's say if they see diapers are selling very good, they can source and label their own diapers to sell. This way, they can cut down their costs and increase their margin. So what do you think about this IPO? Let us know in the comment section if you are applying. That's all for today's video. Stay safe and stay strong investing. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.